Today I'm going to show you how to paint this sunrise field with a few grazing horses. Subtle colours and a misty background. We start off with the sky, wet paper, with a small brush adding in the hints of the scudding clouds. And then a distant tree line painted straight into the wet paper. Onto the ground, we want a gradient going from dark to light in the distance and just adding in drops of colour which will blend together as the paint dries. You can see I've added masking around some of the foreground stalks of grass and the horses just so I don't accidentally paint them. With a dry brush, adding in a silhouette of a tree, now rubbing off the masking and just painting the horses very loosely, just the odd hint, suggestion of shadow. The final piece. So, I hope you enjoyed it. If you learned anything new, feel free to leave a comment or subscribe. Thanks for watching.